Yara and Freddie, a part-time travel couple out of Florida, traveling the globe to luxe getaways and bucket list destinations.
We're excited to share our experience with you in the hopes we can help you plan your next vacation.
Join us as we embrace the world one adventure at a time. Previously on Yara and Freddie, we spent time exploring the Marina Bay Sands Hotel and the Shops Mall. Then, our second full day in Singapore, we visited Gardens by the Bay, the Jurassic Nest Food Hall, and the Buddy Bear display, before moving on to the Cloud Forest and Flower Down. Then it was time to head to 𝐼𝐸 for a river cruise that included spectacular views like the old police station and Marina Bay Sands lit up at night. We finished our night with the Garden Rhapsody and Spectra Fountain Light Show before eating satay at La Poussette. We are here at Royal Plaza on the Scots. The Blackmans can do affordable luxury. We've got the safety deposit box and the fridge with some water. Thank you, Freddie. We got a nice little closet and slippers. TV, a nice desk. Let's look at the rest of the room. You get a chair. This room is quite large. If anybody knows Singapore, they know that Singapore is known for small rooms. So this is very, very spacious. All right. Can't say the same about the bathroom, but hey, it works. It was affordable luxury and we appreciate it. And it was the right price. Oh, everybody know about that bum gun. And a nice little walk-in shower. And that's it, folks. Our stay at Royal Plaza on the Scots came with one of the best perks, a complimentary buffet breakfast. And trust me, it was worth waking up early for. The spread was incredible, starting with fresh fruits, breads, and creamy yogurt, all the way to hot dishes ranging from classic Western favorites to flavorful local specialties. To top it off, there was a full juice bar and a coffee and espresso station, perfect for that morning pick-me-up. We couldn't resist piling a little bit of everything onto our plates. And the best part, arriving early meant no lines, plenty of seating, and a peaceful start to the day. A delicious and relaxing way to fuel up before exploring Singapore. Hey everybody, guess where we're at? We are here in Little India in Singapore.
Welcome to Little India, one of Singapore's most colorful and vibrant neighborhoods. Today, its streets are lined with spice shops, sari boutiques, flower garland stalls, and temples like the iconic 𝐟𝐸𝐵 Temple. You'll also find bustling markets like Tikka Center, offering everything from fresh produce to mouth-watering Indian dishes. Walking through Little India is like stepping into a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and flavors, an experience you definitely don't want to miss. You've got to come.
We're going to be showing you some of the things to do. One of them here is the 𝐶𝐸𝐵 Temple. I'm going to put it on the screen. It's a Hindu temple here in town that, of course, you would want to go see. It's very beautiful. Hey everybody, we are standing in front of the Buddha Relic Temple. Look at that above. It was so beautiful inside. We're going to be showing you some footage of this Chinese temple. Stay tuned.
In the heart of Chinatown stands the majestic Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, built in 2007 in the style of Tang Dynasty architecture. This 5-story temple was designed to house what is believed to be a sacred relic of the Buddha, a tooth discovered in Myanmar. Inside, you will find ornate halls, cultural exhibits, and even a rooftop garden with a giant prayer wheel. And ladies, please be sure to have your shoulders and legs covered, but if you forget, they have sarongs that are free to use to cover up. So here we are in the heart of Chinatown, and right away, this place is buzzing with energy. Bright lanterns, colorful shophouses, and the smell of amazing street food everywhere you turn. The vibrant streets of Chinatown, packed with food stalls, traditional medicine shops, and souvenir stands, this is the perfect spot to grab local favorites like chicken rice, satay, or even some spicy laksa. Chinatown and the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple are must-visits when you're in Singapore.
We are walking around the Chinese street complex. Tell you, this is quite an experience. If you've never done it, they don't offer napkins. You must bring your own, and you must return your tray to the tray station. That's number one. There are hundreds of hawker stalls here. You just pick which one you want to. You find a table and you sit at an empty table, and you can just put a napkin there and no one will take your table. You can put your purse, no one will steal it, because theft in Singapore is 15 lashes across the bottom and some jail time. Yeah, think about that.
Well, hello everybody. Coming here from the Chinese Center. We just had some food. Y'all's first taste of real Asian food. Mine was really good. It's real spicy too. I was really enjoying it. And I'm gonna tell you, this is the place you need to come to. We have so many venues here and so much food, you won't believe it. For me, it was a 9 out of 10. But Yara, she'll explain.
All right, so as Freddie said, I'm gonna explain how my experience has been at the China Street Complex here in Chinatown. There's tons of hawker stalls, I think over 250. Things as cheap as $1 and higher. We had some amazing fruit juices, fresh fruit juice that, as you can see, is now gone. But we'll show pictures in the video below. But yeah, let us know what you think of the Chinatown complex in the comments. But yes, getting back to what I thought. My dish was Thai food, and I got basil chicken. Whew, hot. So, always be sure if you're ever here to tell them your spice level. No spice. I will remember that for next time. So for me, unfortunately, I gotta give it a 5 out of 10. I'm a no spice kind of girl, so yeah. But if you like spice, this is definitely your jam. Hey everybody, we are here in Arab Street.
Walking down Arab Street, the first thing you notice is the color murals covering the walls, vibrant textiles like silk and batik, and cozy little cafes spilling onto the sidewalks. It's the perfect blend of tradition and modern creativity. Whether you're here to shop, snap photos, or just soak in the atmosphere, Arab Street is one of the most photogenic corners of Singapore.
If you can see the Sultan Mosque behind us, it's very beautiful and stunning in person. I'm glad we were able to make it over here. It's hot as blazes out here tonight, so forgive us if we're looking a bit dewy, so to speak. But on this Arab Street, there's lots of Turkish and Lebanese restaurants for you to choose from, lots of good essential oils and other restaurants. Now we're going to keep walking and go towards Kampong Glam. And once we leave Kampong Glam, we're going to Haji Lane, if I said that correctly.
Kampong Glam is Singapore's historic Malay Arab quarter. Centered around the Golden Dome Sultan Mosque, the area is filled with spice shops, textile stores, and vibrant street art. Today, it's a trendy mix of tradition and modern flair, where you can explore rich heritage by day and enjoy hip cafes and boutiques by night. Famous for its narrow alley lined with colorful street art, quirky boutiques, and bars, Haji Lane is the kind of place where you can spend hours exploring, checking out vintage clothes, grabbing a drink, or just people watching.
Raffles Hotel is one of Singapore's most iconic landmarks, first opening its doors in 1887. Named after Sir Stamford Raffles, the founder of modern Singapore, this grand colonial-style hotel has hosted famous guests like Elizabeth Taylor and even Queen Elizabeth II. It's world-renowned as the birthplace of the Singapore sling, cocktail, created at the Long Bar in 1915. And here's a quirky tradition. You're encouraged to snack on peanuts and toss the shells right onto the floor. Raffles Hotel is a timeless blend of history, luxury, and a dash of fun. Ion Orchard is Singapore's crown jewel of shopping, rising like a futuristic crystal at the end of Orchard Road. Opened in 2009, this massive 8-level mall is home to over 300 stores, from luxury brands like Louis Vuitton and Prada to trendy fashion and high street favorites. But it's more than just shopping. You'll find an art gallery, an observatory deck with sweeping city views, and endless dining options. Don't miss exploring the basement food halls, where local flavors meet international bites. One highlight for me was trying a creamy, sweet serving of mango sticky rice, a taste of Southeast Asia that's just as unforgettable as the mall. So, I'm going to give you my thoughts on Singapore. Our favorite destination was Marina Bay Sands. We got to stay at the iconic landmark that looks like a ship, and our view faced Gardens by the Bay. It was absolutely epic. We did get to go to Gardens by the Bay, to the Cloud Florist and the Flower Dome. We got to go to other wonderful spots like Kampong Glam, Haji Lane, Little India, and Chinatown. And we ate at all the hawker centers. The most famous one, La Poussette, which is very historic. We enjoyed the Satay Street. It was quite delicious. So overall, it was great. Like Freddie said, very clean, very organized, efficient. All the people are warm and welcoming, and I absolutely loved it. My only complaint is it is hot and humid here. So if you're not used to these temperatures, you're going to be in for a rude awakening. But other than that, I give it a 9 out of 10.
Well, hello everybody. Let me give you my rundown on Singapore and our experiences here. So first, let's talk about Marina Bay Sands. What an experience. If you get a chance to do it, you need to come. We went to the infinity pool, had a great time, ate up there. The views were magnificent. We also got a chance to go to the park right down below, because you can see everything from this place. The light show, the water show, all of it was great. Let's talk about the food. Food, on some places hit or miss, but understand this and know this part right here, that if you eat something, you need to tell these folks if you like spicy or not, because a lot of the food is spicy. So you got to be careful of that. Okay, so make sure you notify them about that part. The laws, the rules, how clean, how neat it is, how prompt the people are. It is impeccable, and you need to come here. This is a place that if you don't have on your destination list, you need to put. That's all I have.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified of our upcoming